Here I have Google Pixel 6a, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the video mode, and then switch to slow motion. So now let's record something in slow-mo. As usual, I'm just gonna spin this toilet paper, but in slow-mo. So let's get it. Cool. And now let's check out how it will look like on the actual video. So let's go. So as you can see, this toilet paper rolls like very slow, super cool, just like in your favorite action Hollywood movie. Just look at it. Whoa, unbelievable. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.